Wagwan kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making some cucumber, ginger and lime juice. I hope you all love this if you try it, and if you've tried it before, don't forget to comment and let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and beside the subscription bar turn that post notification bell on. Share this with your family and friends, and without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So to start off, I'll be just cutting up my cucumbers, and I'll be just cutting off the top and the bottom and then slice it up into smaller pieces just to make the blending process easier. If you have a juicer, you can go ahead and use a juicer, just as sometimes you need way more ingredients when you use a juicer versus when you blend it with water. Now I'm cutting my limes, and then I'll be using a lime squeezer to extract the juice. Now cutting up one of my favorite ingredient, ginger, and like it was like simia in the juice. Man, it was strong, but I love it, so I didn't mind it. So I used some organic raw blue agave to sweeten the juice, but like I wasn't getting that oomph that I wanted, so I went in with like half cup of brown sugar. You don't have to do this, guys. It's completely optional. You can also use honey, and you don't have to use anything at all. So I'll be adding some spring water. I think I used 2 or 3 bottles, but whenever you're blending anything, you want to start off with the liquid, and if not the liquid, the vegetables, so it's easier on the blades and you have less trouble blending, because sometimes when you put down frozen fruits, then it gets stuck in the blender and it makes the process harder. Adding my lime juice. Now I'm adding my cucumbers, after which I'll add the ginger, and I'll let it blend for a minute. Now it's time to strain the juice, and at this point I could only find my big strainer, so I had to strain it like 3 times just to ensure it didn't have any sediments, and it still had a little bit, but it was not bad. I'm sweetening it with some agave and brown cane sugar. And voila, this is the finished product. I had so much fun doing this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you tried, don't forget to come back and leave your comments and let me know. And until my next video, one love. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and family.